In this example, we're going to look at how we can control our categories, which are used to help organize our post. Now, categories does not have their own separate menu on the far left-hand side when we're in our WordPress administration panel. So instead, we're going to go to Post, and in the flyout menu, choose Categories. This is going to provide a list of all of our categories that we currently have on our WordPress website on the far right-hand side. You'll notice by default, there is one category that's already created called Uncategorized. And if we choose a post and do not provide a category for it, this category will be used. Now we can change the name of this category by simply clicking on it, or when we hover over it, picking the Edit button. Both will work the same way. On our Edit Category page, we can change the name that's displayed, and we can change the slug. A slug is going to be a URL-friendly version of the name. That means it can't have spaces, so instead we should use dashes. It can have upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers, and like I said, the hyphen or dash. This is what makes it URL friendly. If we use our category in our links to our post, the category name is not used, but instead the slug. I'm going to simply update this. It'll take me back to my category page. To create a new category, I'll use my left-hand side where it has Add New Category. I'll provide a name, a slug. I can provide a description, and I will click on Add New Category. When I click on Add New Category, it automatically adds it up to my far right-hand side. This is because it's using Ajax, and so it doesn't have to refresh the page. I'll simply scroll up, and I can add second category. Here I've changed the slug, so it's slightly different. Another thing I'm going to change a little bit different is instead of having no parent category, I can make it have a category 1 as its parent. So my categories can have subcategories, and they can have subcategories as well. If I click on Add New Category, when I scroll up to the top, you'll notice that it shows me category 2, and it has an M dash in front of it, showing that it is a subcategory of category 1. Obviously, the categories names that you choose can be anything you want. They should be relevant based upon the topic of your WordPress website. But this allows you to organize your information into a little bit easier and more manageable methods, which will help your users find information in search engines to help categorize and group your information as well. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and share it with others. If you want to keep up with other videos that are coming out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. That way, you can get the most up-to-date information.